want to say yippee, but I won't. This, the little kid comes out in me when it is Cool Tool Tuesday. And today, well, that's what we've got going on. And today's tool, well, it's hot. Hi everybody, I'm Leah of seejanedrill, and if this is your first time here, I just want to say welcome, and you picked a great day, because like I said, it's Cool Tool Tuesday. Now when I worked in the field every day, okay, I worked in construction before I became a trades instructor, and what I will tell you is this: it gets cold. In fact, one year it was so cold, I'm not exaggerating, I had my hard hat liner on and my earlobes, they froze, they were hard, okay? Because you're working in buildings with no heat and usually no walls. And we use something called a torpedo. It really heats up the space very quickly. Well, this is not quite a torpedo, but you know what? It kind of works on the same principle. It will warm up the space and it's portable. And I gotta tell you this, a torpedo, they're kind of pricey. But this heater here cost under $100, which is why, this is why I bought it, okay? It was really reasonable. Okay, let's get this baby going. Now what you want to do is you want to take the regulator, that's what this is. You want to swivel it out so it'll accept the propane tank easier, all right? Now you want to take your time when you put the tank on because you don't want to cross thread. And remember, we're not using any kind of plumber's tape or any kind of pipe dope here. You just thread it on. Now, the other thing we have to do is we have to make certain our connection is good. So we're going to use some soapy water. I'm going to spray that on the threads there to make certain that it's sealed really nice. If I get small bubbles, then I know I've got a leak. If I don't have any bubbles, then I know I'm good to go. We have no leaks, so we're good to go. Now before we fire it up, let's check the temperature in the shop. And right now it's sitting at about 44 degrees and about 7 degrees Celsius. I'm starting the lighting process. I'm going to turn the knob to the pilot position. So we want to look right here as we depress it. There we go. Now I've got to hold it down for 30 seconds. So it's been about 60 seconds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let my hand off of the knob and the pilot should remain lit. And so it is. Okay, so now as you can see, the knob has returned to the fully extended position. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to turn this knob to the high setting here, because this is the first time we're using it. So what I'm going to do is I have to push down on it slightly, otherwise I won't be able to turn it, see? Okay, so it's starting to heat up. That feels nice and warm. It feels toasty. Okay, it's been about an hour. Now keep in mind, my shop is 400 square feet, which is twice the size of the recommended space that, you want to heat up. So it's at about almost 64 degrees. That's not bad. I can work in that. If that's Fahrenheit, but Celsius, it's about 18 Celsius. Now, one of the things that's really cool about this, even though it's hot, okay, one of the things that I really like about this, beyond the fact that it's portable, is the safety feature. And one of the safety features is if you tip it over, it cuts it out completely. Now, I'm just going to tip it forward. Now, watch the grill. It'll shut the unit off. I'm going to tip it forward. There we go. It's out. You gotta love that. Now, I paid like $75 for my Mr. Heater, and I'm using it in my shop to take the chill off the room so I can work. But there are many ways to use this thing. If you've got a porch that's enclosed, that's unheated, or if you camp, or you fish, or you hunt, you can use it in that way. Now, what I'll do is I'll place a link in the description below the video so you can check it out for yourself. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.